Factors affecting diet. There are various factors which affect our diet, like age, gender, workout or profession, body weight, specific sports diet, sufficient roughage, pregnant or feeding mother, diet during health problems, then seasonal food, climatic conditions, then natural diet, diet recommended by the doctors, then eating habits and social customs. Now let's discuss these one by one. Number one is the age. Age is basically linked to the muscle loss, thinner skin and reduced stomach acid. मीन्स एक रिसर्च हुई है जिसमें देखा गया है जो ओल्ड एज होते हैं, ओल्ड एज पीपल, द एल्डरली पीपल, 20% ऑफ दीज एल्डरली पीपल हैव गैस्ट्रिक कंडीशंस इन विच इन्फ्लामेशन, जो स्वेलिंग हो जाती है, उस इन्फ्लामेशन ने उनके सेल्स को डैमेज कर दिया है. वो सेल्स जो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं स्टमक एसिड, and stomach acid, as you very well know, that it is helpful in metabolism. So because of that low stomach acid, that it affects the absorption of the nutrients such as vitamins, calcium, iron and magnesium. And with age there is a reduced need for calories. With age there is reduction in the body's ability to recognize the vital senses like hunger and thirst. Means हमें भूख नहीं लगती है, we don't feel thirsty. So this is how age affects our diet. The next point is gender or workout or profession. It is said that male needs more calories as compared to females. Rather, we should say that the person who burns more calories, his or her calorie intake should be more. Means that the person with heavy physical workout needs more calories than those with less physical activity. The next point is body weight. This weight brings a difference of diet. Means the amount of calories people eat and drink has a direct impact on their weight. If we consume the same number of calories than the body burns, then our weight stays stable. If we consume more than the body burns, then our weight goes up, and if we consume less, then our weight goes down. So it depends. The next point is specific sports diet. Different activities need different diet. Means different sports activities, they need different diet. Like for a long distance runner, the person who is an athlete, who is a long distance runner, he needs more amount of fat. The persons with explosive strength, they need more amount of proteins and the carbohydrates. Means the persons involved in bodybuilding, weightlifting categories. Then the persons who are involved in various skill games, they need more amount of vitamins and minerals. So this diet depends. The next point is sufficient roughage. Roughage is basically a fiber which is an indigestible portion of the food. It aids, किस चीज़ में help करता है? It aids in digestion, it prevents constipation and helps to manage cholesterol level of our body. It basically satisfies the hunger, so it should be added in our diet. The next point is pregnant or the feeding mother. A pregnant mother or a feeding mother, she needs extra diet, because earlier it was a single person, but now there is a diet of two. So more amount of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals should be given throughout the day. The next point is diet during health problems or doctor recommendation. A diet recommended by a doctor is to be followed by an injured person or a sick person. Like more of the proteins, minerals and lots of vitamins should be given. अब जैसे कि हार्ट पेशेंट्स होते हैं, doctors recommend that they should avoid fried or fatty foods. Then the person suffering from jaundice, they should avoid proteins. Then the BP patients, the person suffering from blood pressure, they should have less salt in their diet. Then the diabetic patients, they should have less sugar. The next point is climatic conditions. Climatic condition affects our diet because eating food which is not suitable according to our environment can cause many diseases, can cause many problems. For example, if we are in a hot place, or if we talk about summer season, then eating too much of spicy, rich meat like tandooris, fish and chicken. So eating these food will make a person sweat more and will cause many digestive problems like constipation, diarrhea. In fact, eating oily foods and junk food as well can create problems. But if we talk about coastal areas where the lands meet the sea or somewhere in the ocean, there the vegetables like root vegetables like carrots, beets, turnips, they can withstand the cold. And in this, soup is the best for this cold region because हमारी जो gut होती है उस time the gut is extremely heat sensitive and consuming cold foods will send a shocking effect throughout the body which could lead to complications like digestive sensitivity, fatigue and many more infections. The next point is seasonal food. Seasonal food Seasonal basically refers to that time of the year when the harvest or the flavor of a given type of food is at its peak. For example, cucumber है, ठीक है, it is available in summer season in a cheaper rate, plus the flavors and nutritional value is high in that cucumber at that time. यही cucumber अगर आप winters में लेंगे then it will be expensive plus flavorless. Many more examples other than cucumber like sweet potatoes and cauliflower. So seasonal food depends, as seasonal food is easily available and economical and moreover the nutritional value is high. The next point is eating habits and the social customs. Eating habits affects the diet of an individual. Some people are in a habit of eating fast food, whereas others do not like it. Some make it their belief that if they will eat non-veg, then it will affect their religion, and somewhere preference is given to non-vegetarian food, whereas in some customs preference is given to vegetarian food. So eating habits and social customs affects the diet of an individual. In next video we'll talk about eating for weight control, the pitfalls of dieting in a healthy weight.